So what am I getting ready to do right now? I'm getting ready to hop on a Zoom and help a friend. So why? Because this friend of mine, bought a digital product from me. And not that they haven't gone in and looked at it and stuff like that, but they just want a little help understanding it. So I'm not the kind of person that will just sell things to somebody and then poof, disappear, right? Which we see a lot online. I stand behind things that I sell, and I stand behind myself. So anybody that purchases anything from me can always reach out to me for help, and I will help them as best as I can. And that's the way I want to be perceived online. You will never find me ignoring messages or not answering people, because that's not the kind of person that I am. So when you're selling things online, just think about that. Like, how do you want to be perceived? How do you want to be known, right? And that'll help you with the way you want to be seen and the things that you do to help your customers.